good morning to all. So let's start with the exercises of chapter 4 of civics. So I am on my way to find out the exercises. Let's see what are the exercises here. So I think I am going to reach to the first exercise. It's coming. Yes, this is the first exercise, and the exercise is F exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, so we are going to start with the fill in the blanks now. So I'm just waiting for the first question. So let's see what is the first question here. Oh, wow, what a beautiful birds here flying here. Oh, I like the birds. Oh, so I can see the first question that is going to reach to me. Okay, I reached near to the first question now, and the question is here. Let's see the full question first. The question is, okay, here is the question now. 5 years is to a member of the Lok Sabha. What dash years is to a member of the Rajya Sabha? So children, as we know very well that the members of Lok Sabha are elected for 5 years, whereas the members of Rajya Sabha they get retired after every 6 years. So here the answer is 6 years. So we get the first answer here. Answer is 6 years. Oh, this car is coming. So shall I take the lift? No, it's going to the opposite side. I can't take the lift here. So I'm just waiting for the next question. Okay, the next question is appearing now. So here is the next question. Let's see what is the question now. Okay. The question is, the second question of Philip is, here it is given that the dash is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. So children, as we know, the members of Lok Sabha, they elect one member among themselves as the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. So this elected member of Lok Sabha is known as the speaker. So the answer here is speaker. So we got the second answer too. So let's move and find out the third question here. Oh, what a greenery here. I like to walk on this greenery. Wow. Okay, this greenery it has followed by the next question. So what is the next question here? Okay, it is coming. The next question is, the dash is a permanent body as it never dissolved. So as we know that the Lok Sabha is elected for 5 years, whereas Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent body. So the answer here is Rajya Sabha. So we got the next answer too. Okay, we are the genius one. Oh, so shall I take some rest here or shall I keep on moving? I think I must keep on moving to find out the next question. So here I am about to reach to the next question. Okay, I can see that the next question is arriving. Oh, yes, this is the next question, the fourth question I think. And the question is, debates over issues of public interest are held during the period called. So children, as we know that there are fixed time periods such as the question hour and the 0 hour for the parliament to discuss different matters. Question hour is used to ask questions from the Council of Ministers, the members of parliament. They ask questions related to different issues, whereas 0 hour is important because debates over issues of public interest are held during the 0 hour. So the answer of this question is 0 hour. So we got the answer of the question. Oh, this plane is making too much noise that even I am not able to hear my own voice. So I can see the next question now. So the next question is about to reach. So I am near to the last question of fill in the blanks, and the last question, the fifth question is the dash can pass a vote of no confidence against the ministers. So as we know that if the ministers fail to satisfy the MPs with their answers, the Lok Sabha may pass a vote of no confidence against the ministers. So here the answer of this question is Lok Sabha. So we have got the last answer too. See, the cow is grazing. Wow. So let's start with our next exercise. I think I can see the next exercise now. And this next exercise, G exercise, is state whether the given statements are true or false. So this is our next exercise. Now I think I can see the first question of true or false exercise. And the first question here is, yes, this is the first question. All the members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. So as we know that the elections of Lok Sabha are held at least once every 5 years. Yes, children, this statement is true that the members of Lok Sabha, they are directly elected by the people. So the answer is true. So I reached near to this city. So that means I am about to reach to my home. So before reaching to home, I have to find out the answers of all the questions here. So see, the next question is appearing. This is actually the bigger one. So the question is, usually the speaker of the Lok Sabha belongs to the opposition and the deputy speaker belongs to the ruling party. The statement is false. Why? Because the speaker belongs to the ruling party and the deputy speaker belongs to the opposition party. So the answer of this question is false. Oh, see, the street lights are switched on. This is the evening time. I have to reach my home faster. So let's see which is the next question. So the next one, I think it is the third question now, and the question is, more populous states have more members in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Yes, students, the more populous states are having more constituencies, and if the constituencies are more, the elected representatives will be more. If the elected representatives will be more, that means the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will be more. So the statement is true. See that hot balloon. I wish I also ride a hot balloon sometimes. Okay. Next question. Forget about this balloon and see the next question. Now the next question here is, this is the fourth question, and now I can see the question. It is, finance bill fails to get parliament approval, the government has to resign. Yes, if the finance bill fails to get the parliament's approval, that means the government, the majority of the members are not in favor of the government. So it means the government has to resign because the majority members are not in its favor. So this statement is true. So let's see. Oh my God, butterflies are flying here. See, they are looking so beautiful. Why don't understand why the people try to catch these butterflies? So Now I am about to reach to the last question of the chapter, and the question is, the parliament's consent is required for declaring a war. So the statement is true because the approval of in all the foreign policies, the approval of parliament is required. So this way this statement is also true. I'm feeling very tired after such a long walk. So I'm just going to take some rest in my house. Till then, you just learn all the exercises that we have completed today and complete your exercises, and you also take some rest. So, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.